Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. My name is Tanya, and today I will be showing you how to fake those edges. So we are going to start out with our tinted edge fiber, and it is tinted in dark brown just to give me some extra camouflage. As you can see, I have traction alopecia where I am balding and thinning around the edges, but look at that new growth. My minoxidil is doing a great job at regrowing my edges. So we're going to go in with our Got to Be Glued gel. Now what I do different with this hairstyle is I like to take a few baby hairs. I don't want just a straight back edge line, if that makes sense. So what you're going to do is once you have your ponytail in, is take the gel and saturate it in the area that you're going to be placing the fake hair. Now the hair that I'm using is just some braiding hair from an old pack of hair. You're going to use the very end of the braid, and you're going to start at the front of your face, and you're just going to kind of like pull it back and slide it back as much as possible, and then wrap the excess hair around the ponytail in the back, and then you're just going to have to situate it with some type of tool or a brush. Now ladies, this method takes some practice. Now there's a will and a way. Where there's a will, there's a way, is what I'm saying. For those ladies that are dealing with traction alopecia or have the similar hairline, this takes practice. So it doesn't get perfect in a day, but as you practice over time, it does get better. This method I find to look most natural because you are adding in hair where the areas are balding. It just takes a lot of concentration and a little more work, and it can get a little bit messy with your fingers, but the payoff is worth it. I definitely feel a lot more confident when I do this method and I go out in public with my ponytail. I feel like I'm a lot more covered up, if that makes sense. So it's not going to be perfect. Like, I just don't have time to go hair by hair, detail by detail, but you pretty much get the gist of it. I'm just cutting off some of the extra hairs, and I'm just taking the end of the scissors and just kind of situating the hairs to make it look as natural as I can possibly make it look. And again, it takes practice. So I'm taking a braiding ponytail and just slapping it on the back of my ponytail, plaiting it, and then just wrapping it around the ponytail in the back. I'm not wearing it down, just to give you an example of how you can fake these edges. Now I'm going in with this Kiss Cover spray in the color black, and as you can see, I'm filling in the gaps with the hairspray, and so that just makes it a lot easier where you don't have to spend all day trying to add hairs. Just add a little hairspray in the gaps and it'll fill in those sparse areas. And yeah, this is it. So remember, I have bald edges, but I think this looks pretty decent. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think, and have you tried this method. And thank you so much for watching another video. I appreciate you guys and love you. See you in the next one. Bye.